What's up? I don't know what happened to the last stream, but like all the sound on my computer wasn't working, and now I can talk to my computer again, so that's good. So we are go for launch. So let's get back into this. So I gotta open up Kody again, and Kody is something over here. Here we go. All right, so let's run bun run dev and bun run inspect. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Here we go. Chat. Make me a stop watch, please. Show it in generative UI. Domain name for this. Okay, so this looks good. So the question is, why is it not showing? Yay, beats are back. What? Hey again, copy Josh. Okay. So we got our source doc. I'm thinking, could you do some research? Because this source doc thing doesn't seem to be working, and I'm thinking that maybe the MCP spec for MCP apps precludes using source doc or something on iframes. It's src doc. I am curious what it looks like though. Can I copy that? Rats. What? MCP server. MCP, it's everywhere. Allow list MCP UI, model context protocol. Alright. Source doc. Copy. And then just do this. Edit as HTML. Paste. Boom. Ah. We still don't see anything. Oh, interesting. So we're doing like a double iframe thing? Oh no, this... I think this is coming from MCP Jam. Okay, that. Where's the code that you wrote? Lap time. That's not anywhere in there. Show me the code that takes the code input and returns it as structured content from the tool call, and then show me the code that receives that and renders it in the shell. I think there's something missing right here, and it's probably the model didn't understand, or the agent doesn't understand how this is supposed to work, which is why I still have a job. All right, so right here, goodness gracious, get out of my face. All right, so we've got this is our tool call for our open generated UI tool. Yeah, okay, it's simple enough. That's exactly what I was expecting. Man, it's so cool how fast we can build stuff now. It's just a matter of, is the stuff that's being built what should be and why and all that. What is MCP Jam to Kody? MCP Jam is a tool for testing MCP servers. So I'm testing the server. Don't really use it a ton, or I haven't so far, but yeah, it's pretty handy when I need it. Okay, so we've got course render envelope value. Okay, so this is part of, yeah, so that is loaded. So if I could inspect the okay, let's switch over to debug mode. Something. Oh, you know what? Can we put a breakpoint somewhere? Generate UI shell. Yep. Put a breakpoint. And the loop. On render data. Okay, use that same code and do it again. Here we go. Okay, we have broken. So we're definitely getting render data, so that's good. Well, or we're getting here anyway, render data. Okay, we are getting render data, but everything is undefined. Oh. Options on render data. Okay. All right. I can probably see all this information actually in here. FTP server. Wouldn't that be cool? Probably does. That'd be cool. Then I could just feed this in. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. What is up? Man, what is all this input partial stuff? Stuff. We'll see. Maybe it'll be useful. Oh yeah, the agent should write it that way. Yeah. After this, the host sent several messages to the view. Do you need any of those? Would that be helpful, or do you know what's going on? Oh, I think it's streaming in. That's interesting. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay. What's up, Ray? We are so back. Woo! Rahalf, thank you. I appreciate that. Cannot stop. Won't stop. But also, I actually literally can't stop because I like food. So. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's make those changes. You got new glass update? I do have the new glass update. Or at least I think I do. I'm pretty sure I do. Still not quite there yet, but like getting there. I think that that's where things are going to go. I was still using tab complete back in like December primarily as my like what I did with most of my coding. So I was actually writing the code when a lot of people were like, dude, you just gotta embrace the let the agent write everything. So maybe I'm a little bit later than some, but I think I'll get there where I just like completely never really look at the code itself. I don't know, not quite there. I mean, it's not that you can't look at the code with glass, but you kind of can, or don't. Like, it's not part of the workflow. Okay, well, let's try it again. Make me a stopwatch. I like simplifying things. Simplify. Still no dice. I might need to restart or something. It's a 200, not cached, so. Aha. Try again. Okay. So we got this running now. It is different. We have the latest, so that's good. Okay, and just this, clear that, clear that, clear that. this again. So many post-hog. Okay. There we go. That's something interesting. This is going to blow up tokens, but I don't want to take the time to figure out what's relevant. Yeah, it's good to see you too, Shruti. How are you? I hope you're doing great. Loving the music. Thank you. That is my Stream Beats Lo-Fi playlist on Spotify. Doo-doo-doo. So, yeah, it's good stuff. All right. Good. Good just for chilling, coding. Pretty much only listen to it when I'm streaming because it is supposedly royalty free, and I don't want people to have to watch ads to watch my videos. So, what I am using Cursor. Yeah, this is mostly Remix 3, actually. Most of it is back-end stuff. There's some front-end stuff, and it's all Cloudflare workers. Very, very heavily relying on Cloudflare to do all this stuff. All right, I should put this in my clipboard. Make a stopwatch in generative UI. Whoa. Show that to me in the UI. No, come on. Okay, let's try again. Use open UI to show me a stopwatch. Here we go. No, still. There we go. This is good. This is good. Yes, it worked. Okay. So there's something funny right there, whatever. I'm using Haiku 4.5, so whatever. Start. Oh, hey, it works. Aha, pause. Lap. Nope. Start. Lap. Reset. Oh, that's so sick. That's so sick. Ah. Okay, now I love it. Please save it for me. It does look like VS Code, but no, this is Cursor. They look very similar. Okay, cool. And then we did another tool call. This result included the source code call. No, included the source code too. Unfortunately, it seems to be a database issue. Okay. That's too bad. Oh, I forgot to migrate to local. That's fine. I'm gonna trust that all works. This is so cool. Okay, what else do I need to do with this? I think I should just commit to this, and then we can iterate. I've got a lot of ideas. Can I lower the volume of the music? Yes, thanks for saying something. I don't think people, I think people just endure it, but like, I appreciate you saying something. I also tend to mumble sometimes too, so. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, it's awesome. Okay, so let's get this merged. Close all things. Yeah, terminate that guy. And yeah, let's just, you know what? We're just gonna commit all this stuff. Commit it. Actually, could you please run formatting and full gate? Fix issues. Thanks. There's probably gonna be a broken test somewhere. But we're gonna let that happen. Then we're gonna switch over to main, pull, switch back, rebase, force push, and then let's see. We got some formatting changes. So that's good. So some of the things that I want to do with this, maybe I'll just, I should have it make issues for these things, but I want to give it a library that's built in, so so that it can handle like back and forth communication between the app that it builds and the agent that's embedded it. And I kind of want to have that client library also include a mechanism for calling things on like, yeah, no, we could have it just call back into the agent and say, hey, I need this information. The agent can well, I gotta play around with it to really understand what I want there. But I think a client library makes sense. I could probably make a design system so that all the apps are the same. That would be pretty neat. I'm trying to limit the amount of stuff that I put into code, though. I'd like it to just be stuff I can just tell the agent, hey, I want to change this, and it can change it in the database or something. Wishing you the best. Cool. Good luck with your Dart and Flutter. Looks like we've got some failures going on. Oh, Kody widget. Yeah, so we do have a kind of a SDK sort of in there. Yeah, see, then it checks, it knows whether to inject HTML or build HTML from document fragment. That's cool. Man, it really did a great job building this out. Okay, great. We are good. Go for launch. let's commit this guy and check out main. Hold on. I think the last commit on here, full screen UI response. Okay. Can you check out, or not, look at and see whether we should incorporate this into our implementation or if what we've done supersedes it? Ah. All right. Yeah, I didn't think so. Yep, okay, very good. All right, awesome. Please check out main, pull, or yeah, fetch main, and rebase on main. Then handle issues, run formatting again, just in case. Then commit and push with force with this. Okay. Yep. Very good. Man, it's so cool. I'm way ready to merge this. This is gonna be great. And then we just gotta start playing with it and seeing where the things fall back. But man, this is so cool. This guy, I'm not sure what to do about. I had Claude working on it. Claude, where'd you go? There we go. Where's that? Okay. I don't want the solution to be React router specific. Is there a non-React router specific solution to this? I'm not sure that there is. proposed won't work reliably, so don't even mention that. Just mention the possible workaround and invite them to open a pull request if they think there's a way to provide that workaround as a built-in mechanism. Watch this. This is gonna be cool. I'm kind of deciding if I want to yeah, let's just do it. Okay, GitHub post to comment on issue. GitHub REST. Boom. That's how you do it. Execute. Boom. That's so cool. It's so cool. Man. See, and here's the nice thing, is people don't like having like conversations with AI bots, but we all know that it's really, it's just a multiplier. And so I think in general, we're okay with AI bots as long as we know that they're AI bots and they're not trying to pretend to not be AI bots. I think like we're a lot more accepting of that. So yeah, man. It's actually not a bad solution. We could probably build that in. Okay, hopefully it works. If it works, then we can build it in. All right, what am I doing? What are we doing? We're going over here. Let's see. We had cursor agents running. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is gonna be big. I just love that I can have cursor running, building all this stuff for me while I'm doing other stuff, and give me like a legit good solution. All right, let's see. What are we waiting for? Once validate is done, then I'm gonna just merge it. Okay, that's it. We did it. Squash. Boom, here we go. It helps that I'm the only user of this, so it's not a huge deal if things break or whatever, so that is nice. Okay, so the deploy takes like 2 minutes because I always run validation beforehand. Just zoned out for a second. Oh, okay, so we're waiting on this, waiting on that. Okay, let's check out main. Whoop. I believe our generative UI shell includes a sort of client library, and I think that's documented. Could you verify that for me? This is wild. It's going to be very, very cool if that works. And I can open up ChatGPT and say, play, I don't know, Mark Rober's latest video on YouTube on the theater TV. And then that'd be pretty sweet. That would be pretty sweet. Okay. I want to make agents who generate UI as effective as possible at doing so and serving the user. Give me a couple suggestions of what we could do to make them more effective. I've got some ideas, but let's see. Here we're deploying to production. Okay, what do you got for me? Yeah, so basically including in the tool description for generating UI could be a TypeScript definition of our mini standard library. Additionally, some design tokens might make them generate more consistent UI. Maybe we should encourage them to write HTML that goes into the body tag and tell them the CSS variables that already exist in the shell that they can take advantage of, which of course we would need to add. I think I want to keep call tool as generic as it is for now. Though maybe it would be useful, you know what? Yeah, instead of call tool, let's call that execute code. Just trying to think where the security implications of this. We're fine because the host application is the one that executes the code. So yeah, haha. And it's deployed. Oh my gosh, here we go. Claude, please use Kody to generate a stopwatch for me and display it. Still searching capabilities and skills. I'm not sure. I think it's going to try and create a saved app and then get it or something. There's a tool for this. Oh, you know what? Maybe you need to refresh the connector. Where is Kody? Kody. Yeah, we need to refresh. All right. Stop. So, how do you refresh? disconnect, and then reconnect. Kody. Let's disconnect this guy. And this guy. Connect Kody. I don't know why Kody's image isn't showing up properly there. Oh, jeez. Yep, open. Wait, what am I? Oh, I'm looking at scheduler. Yeah, whatever. Open, search, execute. Just go. Full on, full send. Okay. Let's see. Man, I think this is going to work, and I think it's going to be awesome. Oh, I tried to save it. That didn't seem to work. Or, yeah, something went wrong. Oh, I need a UI domain. Yeah, I wondered about that actually. I forgot. Am I misunderstanding you, or are you saying that I can't support both Claude and ChatGPT? I think I'm misunderstanding you. I just want to make sure I think I also should, I'm going to open up my dashboard, and I'm going to get a domain for this guy. Buy a domain, Kody.dev. Is that available? Nope. Kody .ai. Ooh, you buy an AI domain and you get so many people calling you about stuff. It's super annoying, so I don't want to do that. Is .buddy a TLD? No, it's not. Okay, here we go. Claude, help me come up with good domain names. Fun for Kody, my AI assistant. Kody, what the freak? Kody, LOL. Kody codes. Oh, that one's fun. Is that available? It is for $55. Ooh. I like Kody codes. It's fun. What about Kody Run? Kody Run is 21 bucks. I can do that. Kody App, Kody Chat, Kody Tools, Kody Help, Kody Bot. Oh, Kody Bot. Is that a thing? Not available because Cloudflare doesn't support the .bot extension. Kody Pro, 21 bucks. Yeah, what was the what yeah, Kody Run. Kody Rocks, Kody Cool, Kody Cool. That one's pretty good. Kody Rocks, Kody Ninja, Kody Space, Kody Land. Kody Land. It's kind of fun. Kody SH. Not available. Kody Click. I really like Kody codes. So Kody Cool is $35. Kody Codes is $55. Every year, spending $20 more for a domain name that nobody will see except for me. I feel so stupid. Hey Kody.dev. That's gonna be cheap. 12 bucks. We're gonna go with Hey Kody Dev. Purchase. Okay, gonna go with that. PayPal. Should I turn off auto renew? We're gonna turn it off. I've learned disabling auto renew is a really good saving mechanism. Okay, so I'm moving this over to Hey Kody.dev. Could you please make the necessary updates using that? Oh, actually, we have an envar for the app base. It's app base URL. Could you use that? Great. Let's do it. Okay, and then I just need to to my worker. Kody production is now there we go. And then we update that base URL. Cool. And here's my boy. 1 second. I'll be right back. They're the best. They really are so awesome. Oh, so good. Right, how are things going over here? Things are still happening. Yeah, okay. Thanks, David. See ya. There we go. All right, let's see here. We got that. Looks all fine and dandy. Let's get rid of that. Get a little more space. Yep, that makes sense. Okay. Okay. I'm kind of like, why do we have duplication between the source and the tests? I don't think that makes any sense. Oh, yep, there it is right there. That's right, Zach. We tell the AI agents, you fixed that nonsense. That's better. Okay, great. Run format, commit, push. Hold on a second. I thought we were gonna do, oh yeah, that's right. Okay, yep. Format, commit, and push. There's probably a slash command I can make for that. Probably already exists, I don't know. 30 more skills. Unbelievable. I have all these skills and I never use them. Build MCP server on Cloudflare. Oh, I've got some skills right here. These are those aren't skills, those are commands that come from MCP resources, I think. What do these skills do? Any interesting skills? Create skill, create rule, deslop, fix CI. Yeah, that's a good one. I don't know, I should probably like use these sometimes. Do I worry about my token usage? Good question, Zach. I would, except that I provide a lot of valuable feedback to Cursor, and so they sponsor my token use. So that's very nice. But yeah, I would, because I use a lot. Quite a lot, but they seem to be grateful, so that's good. Okay, great. So now we're done with that problem. Let's look at this one. Yep, that all sounds just fine. I want to preserve the ability for the agent to generate the entire HTML document though, so make sure you don't change that. But go ahead and do it all. Yeah, for them, like it doesn't really do much, and at least as far as they're concerned, hopefully they think I'm worth, like the feedback that I provide is worth it. So that would be sad if they decided one day, you know what, Kent, you're too expensive. Yes, this will be, all of my live streams will stay on forever. So feel free to jump on later if you want. And you can watch it at any time. All right, let's take a look, because this action deploy should fix it in, rats. Okay. Whoops. I should just, what are you complaining about? All right. Looks like there is a TypeScript problem. Oh, you know what? We should have the agent that worked on that fix it. Run type checking and fix the issue. Peace out. Good night. What is Kody and what does it do? It is an MCP server using Cloudflare's dynamic loaders to allow AI agents like Claude and ChatGPT and Cursor to write code to interact with the capabilities that Kody has. Currently, Kody supports GitHub and Cursor Cloud Agents and Cloudflare, and it can do all kinds of things on these with these things. It's pretty capable. It also, as of when this is done, it will support generative UI. So I can just ask it, hey, we're playing Clue. Can you make me a detective sheet for Clue? And it will generate that. I'm excited to try that out. I think it's so cool. So just from my phone. That'll be sweet. So anyway, anything. Weird question. Do you always wear an undershirt or is that garments? It's garments. That's what that is. That would be a lot of layers if I also wore an undershirt. I guess technically it is an undershirt. All right, let's look at this guy. What did you do? What'd you do? Oh, okay. Yeah, sure, that's fine. Commit that. I'm live. Thank you. Oh, that's very nice. Appreciate that. Sorry, sometimes people walk in and they don't know that I'm live, so that was my son. Okay, very good. Yep, all right. And he brought me some bread that I will have to thank him for later. He just handed it to me and ran out. Sounds amazing. It is amazing. Oh, this bread is amazing. Yeah. It's really good. It's pretty cool. Cool to see it do stuff. Mm-hmm. Type checking is green. Hey, are we done? All right, we're gonna need to rebase on main, please, and force push with lease. Here, rebase now. What can we do here? Yeah. All right, what we got? Run formatting, please. I think we need to be specific. We should probably document that execute code triggers a call back to the host to execute that code. And so it can access anything. Oh, well. Man, that bread was way good. I think it's possible he made it himself. He had a kind of failed zucchini bread this morning that I think disappointed him. but this was just like wheat bread, super good. Can agents decide what the initial screen size or whatever, what is this called? Display mode, yeah. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I don't think that it's useful for tool descriptions and their inputs to have duplicate content. Choose the best place for those instructions and avoid duplication. Cool. Yeah, this is great. Format, validate, commit, push. Okay. Did this deploy? We're running 6 minutes now. No, it just didn't. What? What's going on here? Oh, great. Pushed, and I'm pretty sure validate includes the MCP E2E stuff, so I'm gonna guess that was a fluke. Hopefully that was a fluke. Okay, well, shall we test this guy out? All right. It looks like it passes locally, so Something else is going on. We'll just hope it was a fluke. Now, PR list. Check out 31. And here we go. What's going on here? Could this have happened because I haven't migrated the local database yet? I think we might have some migrations I need to run. Huh. All right, we'll look at that here in a second. Fun run dev. Why did this exit immediately? I gotta stand up. No, it's failing in CI. What's going on? All right, let's just do this while I'm working out what's going on. Okay. Okay. Please fix that. Anthony, how do I like the new glass project? I think it's the right direction. I don't really have many cursor rules though, or any. I don't use cursor rules. But yeah, I think that glass is going to be something I will get used to eventually. Not quite ready to jump whole hog into it though. Man, something got really messed up. really want this to work. Figure out what's going on. Here we go. Roku setup. Status. Nice. We need to support light mode. Make the Roku or the home connector UI support light dark mode. Copy the design tokens from the worker. Okay. Great. I would now like the bun run dev script from the root to start up the home connector dev process along with the mock services and the main worker, please. Okay, hey, this is good. We have, I think, yeah, run into the same issue over here, so that's good. Current workflow is everything run in CI, so you don't run much locally. Yeah, well, so lots of my work happens in Cloudflare or in Cursor Cloud Agents, and so that naturally opens up a pull request and things, and that, yeah. I do have it, like when I'm doing synchronous work, kind of like this one, I do have it run local checks as well. I could do Git hooks and stuff like that. I don't, but yeah, I don't really mind telling it, hey, run full gate. This made up word thing. Yeah, it's figuring out things are timing out. Awesome. Okay, good. Now I can kill this guy. Boy, it sure does a whole lot of stuff. We open this up. Sweet. And let's see. What output do we get? button. There it is. Cool. Okay. Now we can go health. It's good. Okay. Awesome. Now, next thing. During development, how do we get the home connector to register itself or start a connection with the locally running worker? Okay. Right now it doesn't. That's kind of what it is. So during development, the connector starts its local UI, MCP layer 2. Where's that UI? Is it admin? Where is the health connector admin? What is the route for that? Or the home connector admin. Can it? I think it makes sense to start the home connector server with an environment variable that points to the URL of the server that it should initiate a handshake with. And during development, we can spawn that process with the right localhost URL. And then we just set that properly when I run it on my NAS. There was something else that I wanted to say. We'd also set the secret for authentication at that time too. Could you implement the actual local dev registration path so that it brings up a fully connected home connector? And then go ahead and make a simple admin dashboard on the home page with links to relevant pages and other useful information. There we go. Have fun with that. I'm going to take a look at how we're doing with this. Okay. You have successfully reproduced the timeout issues on the end-to-end tests. You know what? I think it's doing this inside of a child thing, so it's waiting for this guy to finish, I think. Man, subagents are like such a what am I thinking of? Just a huge unlock on making agents operate more like humans. Like, I don't got enough context in my brain to do that, or like, so you go do it, and then you give me your results, and now I don't have to have all that context. Like, it's awesome. All right, well, falling back, man. What are we doing? What's going on here? Oh, that's cool. Good for them. Oh, that's interesting. Well, that was a cool little video. What is this? What's going on? Issue tracking is dead. So they're going to build an agent. Interesting. Skills. Automations. Wow, good for them, man. I completely agree. Goodness. Bingo, right there. Why does it matter if you're not writing it? Yeah. So the only reason why it works, why it's so fast, is because it's just a V8 isolate. Oh, that's cool. I honestly might be able to use that. Here's what I'm doing. Use Kody to determine if we could use this in the kentcdodds.com repo. Yeah. Not Claude, Kody, goodness. If we can, go ahead and fire off a cursor cloud agent to improve our implementation. I think not, actually. Now that I think about it, probably not. Yikes. Having a bad day. 87 incidents in the last 90 days. Yeesh. Bun-related SIG faults have decreased quite a bit. Yeah, because they migrated off of Bun. What is this? What? Yeah, that's huge. That is so awesome. Here we go. Claude is ready, or whatever, cursor. But I gotta finish. That's sick. I think United paid to promote this. Yeah, probably. I'm sure that they did. But that is sick. That is awesome. All right. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Okay. Yeah. Let's try now. No, is it not running? Restart. There we go. Nice. And dark mode? Dark mode? What? Really? I said dark mode. Looks like the homepage of the home connector does not support dark mode. We need to make sure all pages of that service support light and dark mode. And they should be doing some code reuse there as well. I mentioned that in case you're not already doing that. All right. But while it's doing that, connector ID, last sync, shared secret, last error. Okay. We should set that, whoops, when starting the dev script. All right, yoink. Still nothing. Don't use data theme. Just media queries is sufficient here. I don't want to bother with an explicit toggle. That should fix this. Refresh, refresh, refresh. Huh. We definitely don't need tests for the theme. Go ahead and delete all that. There we go. Now we're talking. Let's go. Roku status, setup, cool, health, connector snapshot. Ooh, what is this? That's interesting. Cool. Okay. Your terminal UI is way different than mine. Any specific config? I don't know, man. My cursor config is like, oh, the terminal, like this thing. Yeah, you want to check out my dot files, I guess. Dot files. That might point you to something. Specifically the ZSH, how I set up my bash stuff. So maybe that is what you're talking about. Okay, great. Let's restart. Hey, they made it mobile friendly. That was nice. This kind of looks funny. Also, I don't like that error. Can you figure out why we're not getting the secret passed properly and why the connection isn't starting correctly? Yep, okay. Doodaloo. Okay, it's doing stuff. The tabs. Oh, yeah, like these tabs? You talking about this up here at the top? Or these tabs? I don't know what. Oh, honestly, I I'm not sure where these are coming from. I basically never use anything but terminal here. So, I don't know. I thought that was just like a built-in thing, how it works. Okay. Doo-doo-doo-doo. All right. Here we go. I think we need to restart maybe. Okay, we're gonna stop it, start it over again. We're gonna stop. Well, we're just gonna stop you. Just stop. Start it again. Refresh. I think it's supposed to be 4040. Nope, there we go. All right, sweet. Configured, very good. Okay, so now what do we do? Now what do we do? I think these look funny. I'm just gonna. The content in the middle and the right cards looks funny. I think we should just align those to the top. Okay, and yeah, how do I test this? Well, let's just ask the agent. I guess I go to Roku setup. Okay, yep. Now that's, do I need to restart for that? That would be silly. Here, I guess I do. That's fine. Okay, great. Now, how do I, here, let's close you. Get out of here. Kill that. Kill that. And actually, looks great. Go ahead and run format, then commit and push. Come on, I really, really wanted this to get fixed so that I could deploy. Well said. What did I say well? Oh, thank you. Yes. Yeah. That does help. Kevin, it's been a while. Good to see you again. Okay, cool. Enough being distracted. Okay, now get rid of this, get rid of that, and that, I think. Are we done with this? Yeah. And yeah, we are done with that. Okay. How do I test the home connector with a real Roku device on my network? For the root level dev command, let's allow that to be run with environment variables that will be set on the underlying home connector process. So anything prefixed with screaming case, snake case, home connector, mock, for example, will be forwarded on to the underlying home connector process as mock. I think that's supposed to be mocks. Man, I wondered if that would work. Home connector mocks. That way we can do this sort of environment variable forwarding and test things out easily. I would like the connector to do Roku SSDP discovery. So could you implement that as well? I think that the agent that was working on this just kind of got tired and it didn't finish implementing everything. So that's fine. It got things started while I was able to do some other stuff. So. Yep, there we go. All right, and let's see, how are we doing over here? It is still running. It's doing stuff. So that's good. Yeah, we got timeouts again. Follow-ups are disabled in subagents. That's too bad. Man, I really want to figure out what's going on there. I need their front-end skill. The OpenAI front-end skill. Yeah, I guess I could use that. I don't really need it to look good right now, so just good enough. Forgot the music. It's about time for me to call it a day, which is unfortunate because it was so close to actually demoing generative UI in any client that supports MCP with Kody, which would be so sick, but what do you do? Okay, you're going to be taken out a little bit. Do not use will break agent context. What in the world? Okay. You know what? I think we might be over-testing the MCP end-to-end stuff. Can we just delete the irrelevant tests and keep basic smoke tests in place? And simplify it enough so that this entire problem category disappears. There we go. Just get rid of this nonsense. Hey, here's that agent that I asked Claude to make for me. Sweet. So what did it do? It added a bunch of stuff. Not sure I want that. Don't think I need that. No, that's fine. Thanks anyway. We're just gonna make that go away. I think I see your face on every tech website. Might as well see it live for once. What's up? I am on the internet in some places. It is true. Okay. What's this config test thing all about? What is this config? We're testing the config. What? What is this? It's not how I would have written it, that's for sure. But we can keep it with temp. Okay, you're the only one that's doing that. Okay, with temporary Andy should use symbol dispose check testing principles. That it normally gets it, so I just missed that. Watch this. I'll clean it up nice and flat. It's much better. Very cool. Okay, good. So now please do that. So once we get to actually testing this with my actual Roku devices, I'm going to not show that because I don't know what it will show. I don't think that there's anything that you'll be able to gather from that, but I don't know, man. So we're gonna, once we're testing this out, you're just gonna see my face. You won't see my screen, and that is okay. We'll make it. Let's see, how are we doing up here? I want to show you something. Look at, where is it? Right here. Look at this. Await using database, await using server, and await using MCP client. And each one of these will create the thing. And then when this variable gets garbage collected, these things will run a cleanup to like delete the test database, delete or close the dev server, close the MCP client. It is so awesome. I absolutely love using. It's really good for tests. Beautiful. Are the home connector tests? Oh, you know what? We should publish the home connector to Docker Hub. So let's make a GitHub action for doing that. Anytime there's a change to the home connector package, we should publish a new version to Docker Hub after running the home connector tests. I'm just gonna have that happen over there. Okay. Lots of stuff going on, and here we are. And the home connector is listening right there. And we are configured. Roku status. I know I said I wasn't going to show you this, but okay. So this is not showing us anything. Oh, right. I didn't. Okay. What should I run to run this with my live local network? Because I need to have some environment variables and stuff. I think it's, yeah. Okay, we're gonna try this. And I'm gonna change it to just my face. Hello. Try this. I'll tell you what's going on as it's going on. So it is now running. Mox is disabled. That's what it's showing me in here. Roku status. It's showing still no, nothing interesting. Roku setup. No connector errors. Huh. Okay. Here, let's do this. I'm going to open up the local browser in Cursor. I've got the up in a browser, and I'm not seeing anything useful on the Roku status page. Okay, I'm checking how get a real scan, home connector, Docker Hub, that all works. Okay, sorry. So I've got a. Oh, somebody's asking why GPT 5.4 and not Claude or Gemini. Yeah, I've never had a great experience with Gemini. I haven't used it a ton, but yeah. And then Claude is great, but Opus is really expensive. And so I don't want to get used to using Opus for that reason. Yeah, GPT 5.4 has been like really plenty good for me. I also use Composer 2, but today I had some trouble with it, so I just switched over to 5.4. Composer 2 is just really fast and relatively cheap, so I like that one as much as I can't there. Okay, so run this from the root. Okay, so let's run that from the root. Shouldn't we have a UI for running the scan manually? I don't want to run things from the root. Give me a UI for that. Thought that was in Roku setup, but there's nothing in there. Adding a scan now on status. People say that talking to GPT versus talking to Opus is like talking to a robot versus talking to somebody who feels natural. I honestly couldn't care less. I do not need my AI assistant, my robot, to talk like a person or to be pleasant to talk with. I really don't. I super don't care about that. And I honestly don't understand why so many people do. But yeah, it's kind of funny. Just different preferences for different people. Any ideas for something that would help testing an interface in HTML5 Canvas? Oh man, besides don't. Yeah, man, don't. So like now we have AI agents that can like click around and stuff. So you could just like do that. Yeah, like that's a really, really hard thing to do. In like TDD, because I've seen the light. Yeah, so you could, if you had a good abstraction layer, then you could test like the units and then just hope it all comes together on the canvas correctly. But man, there's a lot of confidence that you lose. So I don't know. That's a really tough one. Good luck. I'm sorry. That is rough. Okay, so if I go to the status page, it should now have a button. I think I have to restart every time we change, so we got to talk to the agent about that. All right, scan now. Boom. Scanning, scanning, scanning. Okay, there we go. So it's working. It's working. I'm seeing all of my Roku devices. That's so cool. Okay, cool. Now, how do I? What do I do? What do I do with this now? What do I do with this information? Okay, this is wild. This is. Let's see if it works. Okay, we're gonna open up inspect to open up MCP Jam, and I think I can share my screen again. Okay, and then we're gonna go to chat. What can you do with my Roku devices? Using Kody. Okay. Let's see. Oh, a database error with the search function. Okay. Okay. That worked great. I now have those Roku devices showing up on the status page. Now I'm trying to test this out in MCP Jam, and I'm getting the following error when I ask it what it can do with my Roku devices. I already cheated saw 1988 from your website, but I would have called you a 90s kid anyway with the lava lamp. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can't see it on this view, but yeah, you saw the full screen view. Yeah, Cloud Haiku for free. Yes, in MCP Jam. I'm guessing they're just eating the cost because they want people to experiment and be able to actually use this chat interface, which is really good, really great for testing servers. Okay. Oh, I see. It's because we're running that locally. Don't we fall back to lexical search if vectorize isn't available? Yeah, go ahead and patch the search. I'm a little bit nervous about what it's going to do. Actually, but before you do that, please run format and commit the files that you've changed. Docker ignore. Should the Docker ignore really be at the root? I feel like I want all of that stuff to be inside the home connector. I like to avoid having stuff in my root directory unnecessarily. Running multiple agents on the same code base in the same environment is a little bit dangerous, but these things shouldn't touch each other, so it's fine. Still using Gemini in the browser because I don't want it trashing my code. I want to be responsible for that. You want to be responsible for trashing your own code. I get it. Yeah, allow list. Wait, I assumed that the Docker file was also Docker file. Yeah, it's in the home connector. I'm confused. Docker ignore. Yeah, they should be side by side, right? Okay, let's see here. You're doing stuff over there. What are the envars I need to set on GitHub? Be brief. We're gonna bring this over here. And we're gonna go to hub.docker. We're gonna make some repository secrets. Docker Hub username. Sign in over here. Okay. Docker Hub token. Let's get my token. Yeah, personal access token. Okay, and there's that. Add that secret, delete it from my history. And then home connector Docker image. Yeah, that works. All right, sweet. Those have been set. Format, what? The files you change, or yeah, just format. Then commit and push. Let's just look at this really quick. I don't want to publish every time those change, do I? No, I don't want to. Oh, can I manually trigger the this job? I think I can because the workflow dispatch, I just forgot. Okay, good. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Okay. Format, commit, push. Only the files you changed. All right, let's see here. Where are we at? Okay, let's restart this guy. Redo this guy. Okay, what? Can you see my Roku devices through Kody? Very good. We are now deploying. What about something you must instantly see and run? Am I out of the loop? Yeah, if you've got something that you're running that you want to be in the loop for, then like what I do is I just clone the branch and then I continue from where it left off. That works really well. Okay. Yeah, let's see. I now receive the following when asking MCP Jam to help. I could probably hook this up to Cursor, and then I wouldn't have to keep swiping back and forth with MCP Jam, and have potentially a better model for this. Too many tests. Let's do this. Kody local. It's 3742. I've connected you to the MCP server that is running so you can perform the search yourself and see what happens. Okay, hey, maybe it's working. What can you do with my Roku devices that you find in Kody? Yeah, Okay, yeah, that's fine. I believe you. Let's see. Hold on a second. Can you turn on the upstairs TV and open the YouTube app to my current live stream that's running right now? If this works, I'm gonna die. That would be so crazy. So crazy if this works. Okay, rats. Yeah, let's start with the local scan. You hear the piano. Let's see what's going on with this. Is this working yet? Nothing. Wants me to restart, I think. I restarted. The MCP server is on, yeah, and let's make sure, yep. Should be connected to this. Please try again. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Stop. That's my bad. Using the can't remember what the variable was called, but yeah, I'm using it. Scan is working. Discovered. There's the upstairs. Try to operate it through the MCP server. Okay. I need to go to settings, advanced, control by mobile apps or external control. Okay, I'll be right back. Just doing these steps. 1 second. Okay, I got it. I've updated the settings on that TV. Here we go. This would be so crazy if it worked. This would be the craziest thing. Okay. Yep, do that, please. Off and on again, even though I think it just did that. Okay. Try again. Okay. Oh, it sent the home. Well, that did work. It didn't go through the MCP server like it's supposed to, but we can send commands to that TV now, so that's fun. Yeah, don't worry about MCP jam. Focus on yourself. Why are you not seeing the dynamically added home capabilities? Feel free to add logs, etc. Okay, it thinks it's done. Deleted a bunch of tasks, updated this. That's fine. Do not use or will break. Man, I hate this. Yeah, that's disappointing. Okay, cool. So we've got the, let's see. We've got the capabilities. Oh, snap. Okay, okay. All right. Can you get a list of the available apps on the Roku? Or, you know what, just open the YouTube app to stop through the MCP server. See, and then we can make this a skill or something. I'm not using any skills. I'm using my own skills, but not just my own skills. Not the skills that they made up for agents, but just my brain. I really don't like to have mock related code in the product code, so you gotta figure out a way to make this not required. Why does, pretty sure we can manage this using MSW. Fine. It's like, you know what? I'm going to run this server by myself. Pretty sure that's not centered. There's something weird going on this page. Yeah, like what the, what is that all about? Yep, that's what it was. It's those guys. What are you all doing? Display grid, oh man. Display flex. Yep. That's an interesting solution. Okay. Okay. I'll be right back. Dude, it totally works. I'm playing. I'm live. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. It's all gone through MCP. Oh, that is so cool. It worked, by the way. Fire. Great job. Just gonna waste some tokens on that. That is so sick. Oh my goodness. So then, of course, the next test is, can I get this running on my NAS and then control my TV from my phone using natural language with Claude or ChatGPT? Oh, that is interesting. Will it work? That is the question. And then, like, all the things that I can do. Okay. That is so wild. Here, let's come over here. We're gonna turn you off and back on again. Then we're gonna say, can you turn the volume up on my upstairs loft TV? Okay, great. Run formatting. It was increased. Okay, increase it by 20 levels. I'm not even sure how loud it is. I think the volume was off when I went over. Oh my gosh. Turn it down. I can hear it. It's right over there. Okay, turn the TV off, please. Oh my gosh. Here's all code mode, home Roku press key, device ID, key power. That's all it had to do. What is happening right now? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Ah, that is so cool. Okay, commit and push. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is so crazy cool. Now if we could just get this thing working. Ready for review. Let's see. You worked for 3 minutes. Did you actually run it? And it did run. Okay. Good. All right. And it didn't change much. Unbelievable. And I'm pretty sure the TV turned off. Like it actually, like, let me check. Yep, it turned off. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. What do I feel about AI? Well, I just used AI to turn off my TV. Probably cost me 2 cents. I don't know. Oh my goodness. I love AI. I think it's fabulous, and we can and should do more good in the world with it. Okay, this is working. We're gonna merge this. Okay, fix tests. All right, great. And then we're gonna rebase this branch on main fetch first. Push with lease. Try playing a specific video on YouTube's TV or channel. I did. Yeah, I did. It played the video that we're watching, or that you're watching right now, on the TV. Just wow, that was awesome. Now, I think, let's get this guy out of here. Get this guy out of here. I think that no, it's a deep. Oh, yeah. Whoop. Oh, good grief. Eh. This is, yeah. Family's home. I gotta get going. But this was a very cool experience. And now we're deploying to production. Oh, okay. It deployed. So let's go to connectors. Go to Kody. Don't go back. There's Kody. Disconnect. And Kody will reconnect again, just to be sure. Okay, so now, here we go. Can you use Kody to create and display a stopwatch, please? A koala themed stopwatch. I hope this works. I would be like kind of sad if this doesn't work. Okay, so it found what it needed. Now it's executing. Kind of curious about that. Okay. It's writing some code. And, oh, please work. Oh no, it didn't work. Failed to load up source. well. Ah, that's too bad. And that time, nothing. Well, we'll figure that out tomorrow. I feel like today was a success. We're gonna stay ready for review, let the AI bots talk it out, what they're gonna do with that. Oh man, that's so crazy. Control the TV. And then like, we're gonna be able to control all kinds of things. And actually, you know what? Could you? We just made a whole bunch of changes, added generative UI and a bunch of other stuff. I want you to check out the code base as it stands today and update our plan, please. Hold on a second, my bad. And we're gonna just see if I can fire this off and let it work, and then I'll look at it tomorrow. I gotta run down to the fam. Did I not make a plan? I thought that I made a plan. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jump off the stream. Thanks everybody for joining and for seeing one of the coolest things. This opens up a lot. Makes my agent a lot more useful. Because, I mean, opening something up on a TV, big whoop. But what that means for everything else that I'll be able to do, that is exciting. And I'm very excited about that. So, anyway, this is going to be fun. See you all probably tomorrow. I'll probably live stream some more tomorrow. So, peace out.